Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. 24 hours. Just one single day. That was all it took to change life on Earth forever. One day, dinosaurs ruled every corner of the planet. The next, their world had become a living nightmare. For more than 66 million years, giant reptiles dominated forests, rivers, mountains, and coastlines. They survived volcanic eruptions, changing climates, and countless predators. They seemed unstoppable. But then something arrived from space at a speed beyond imagination, carrying more destructive power than billions of nuclear bombs combined. For decades, people imagined that dinosaurs slowly disappeared over millions of years. But modern scientific evidence tells a far more dramatic story. The last day of the dinosaurs was filled with terror, fire, earthquakes, towering tsunamis, and darkness unlike anything Earth had ever experienced. Today, we're going to travel back to those final 24 hours and witness what really happened. The sun rises over an Earth that looks both familiar and completely different. North America is covered by vast forests filled with flowering plants, towering conifers, and endless wetlands. Giant dinosaurs begin another ordinary morning. Massive triceratops graze peacefully while herds of duck-billed hadrosaurs search for fresh vegetation. Small mammals hide beneath roots, avoiding hungry predators. In the distance, the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex begins hunting, completely unaware that this will be its final day. Far above the atmosphere, however, something enormous races silently through space. The asteroid is nearly 12 kilometers wide. It has traveled for millions of years across the solar system before crossing Earth's path. Moving at nearly 20 kilometers every second, nothing on Earth can stop it. No dinosaur looks upward. No animal senses what is coming. Hours before impact, the asteroid enters Earth's atmosphere. Within seconds, the sky becomes brighter than the Sunday air in front of the asteroid is compressed so violently that temperatures reach thousands of degrees. The object itself begins glowing white-hot, leaving a blazing trail stretching across the sky. Animals across the continent suddenly become restless. Birds take flight. Small creatures disappear underground. Giant herbivores raise their heads in confusion. Even the largest predators pause, staring toward the growing light. Then, at exactly the wrong place and exactly the wrong moment, the asteroid strikes. It crashes into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in modern Mexico. The impact happens in less than 1 second. The explosion releases energy equal to billions of atomic bombs. Solid rock instantly vaporizes. The asteroid itself disappears completely. A crater nearly 180 kilometers across forms almost instantly. Everything within hundreds of kilometers is erased before it even has time to react. The surrounding limestone explodes into the atmosphere while molten rock shoots into space. Temperatures at the center of the explosion become hotter than the surface of the sun. Nothing survives. Millions of tons of rock are blasted beyond Earth's atmosphere before falling back toward the planet. The ground shakes with unimaginable force. Earthquakes stronger than magnitude 11 race across continents. Mountains collapse. Cliffs crumble into the sea. Forests are flattened by shock waves moving faster than the speed of sound. Hundreds of kilometers away, dinosaurs are thrown to the ground by the violent shaking. Trees snap like tiny sticks. Rivers suddenly change direction as the land itself rises and falls. Moments later, the air begins moving. An enormous blast wave races outward from the impact site. Winds exceed 1,000 kilometers per hour. Entire forests are ripped from the ground. Animals that survived the earthquake are swept away by hurricane-force winds carrying rocks, trees, and burning debris. But the destruction is only beginning. The asteroid struck shallow ocean water. The impact instantly pushes away billions of tons of seawater. A colossal tsunami forms. Some waves rise higher than skyscrapers. They race across ancient oceans at the speed of passenger jets. Hours later, coastlines thousands of kilometers away are completely destroyed. Entire ecosystems disappear beneath walls of water carrying mud, giant boulders, and shattered trees. Marine reptiles that once ruled the seas are tossed like toys. Even creatures living deep underwater cannot escape. Meanwhile, the sky changes. The molten rocks blasted into space begin falling back to Earth. As billions of glowing fragments re-enter the atmosphere, friction heats the entire sky. For a brief moment, nearly every continent experiences temperatures high enough to ignite forests. Leaves burst into flames. Grasslands become oceans of fire. Wildfires spread across thousands of kilometers simultaneously. Smoke rises into the atmosphere until daylight begins disappearing. Dinosaurs that escaped the earthquake, the blast, and the tsunami now face another enemy: fire. The air becomes nearly impossible to breathe. Ash fills every breath. Many animals collapse from heat exhaustion before flames even reach them. Others desperately flee, only to find every direction blocked by burning forests. Predators and prey run together, no longer enemies but victims of the same disaster. As evening approaches, the world grows darker. The sky fills with dust, soot, sulfur gases, and microscopic particles. Sunlight can no longer reach Earth's surface. What began as daylight slowly transforms into permanent twilight. Then complete darkness. Temperatures begin falling. Plants stop receiving sunlight. Photosynthesis almost completely ends. Within days, food chains begin collapsing. Large herbivores cannot find enough plants. Carnivores lose their prey. One by one, species begin disappearing. Acid rain falls from the sky as sulfur released by the impact mixes with atmospheric moisture. Freshwater lakes become polluted. Oceans grow increasingly acidic. Even surviving marine organisms struggle to stay alive. The disaster no longer lasts hours. It continues for months. Then years. Global temperatures fall dramatically. Some scientists believe Earth entered an impact winter lasting more than a decade. Without sunlight, forests die. Without forests, giant herbivores starve. Without herbivores, giant predators vanish. Nearly 75% of all species on Earth disappear forever. Every non-avian dinosaur becomes extinct. The age of giants finally ends. Yet life itself refuses to surrender. Tiny mammals hiding underground survive by eating seeds, insects, and anything they can find. Some birds endure because of their small size and flexible diets. Crocodiles survive in rivers where food remains available. Turtles, frogs, and countless small creatures quietly outlast the greatest extinction event since the end of the dinosaurs. Millions of years pass. Forests slowly return. New animals evolve. The surviving mammals spread across the continents. Eventually, primates appear. Then, after an unimaginably long journey through evolution, humans arrive. Ironically, our own existence may only be possible because that asteroid ended the reign of the dinosaurs. If the impact had missed Earth by only a few minutes, dinosaurs might still dominate the planet today, and humans may never have existed. The final 24 hours of the dinosaurs were not a slow decline but one of the most violent days in the history of our world. A single asteroid forever reshaped Earth's future, proving that even the most powerful creatures can disappear in an instant when nature unleashes its greatest forces. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into Earth's most dramatic day, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure into the incredible history of our planet. Until next time, stay curious.